This is an activation of the Pennsylvania Amber Network transmitted the request of the Pennsylvania State Highway Patrol and the Valentine Police Department. Valentine Police are looking for a 5-year-old black male named Eve Long. Born on January 25th, 2015, 4'2", weighing around 90 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a gray shirt, cargo pants, and brown shoes. The abductor is believed to be 30-year-old Jeffrey Logan, a white male weighing around 200 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. He was last seen wearing a gray shirt, jeans, and white shoes. If you have any identification of the suspect or the child, contact the Allentown Police Department. Stay tuned for more information on this ongoing situation.